Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how to use this video clip or video template. We continually yesterday this animation geometric, this item or this sticker, we create the intro. Okay, so first of all, we just create the video and then we need this dough item. Okay, so actually he is continually differently. So now we can see actually we change the white color becoming black, and then we need some these elements. So I will use this element. This I already mentioned in the previous video, so just paste it over here. Then we can relocate the position we want. So maybe I put a little bit over this page and then make it center, or we can come to position, make it middle and center. Then because this is an animation, so we also can change the color as we wish, so that will be very unique. Okay, so once I'm happy about this color, I can choose another item, for example like this animation and this animation and this animation, three animation together, copy to my this video and then right click, paste it. So here I want to put these three things, in the middle here. So here is number one, then I just turn it to 90 and then I just put in the center maybe, then this one as well near the right the red color column, and then make this one. Okay, now I can click this number one, press the button shift, click number two, this sticker, press the sticker number three, come to position, and then coming over here, tidy up. So Canva will help me to make it more beautiful. So after that, I need this blank one about 5 seconds, but this second it doesn't matter. Just choose what the text, the font you want, then just come to select the font. And then this font I will make the color is white, then this background color is black. So I can type, for example, welcome to my channel, then coming here, download this page is page number 2, but they will show you about MP4 video suggested. But now I want it is only PNG, PNG, so is download as a picture. So I will click number 2. This is what I want. Download. Just waiting. Okay. Then I will go into this. I will share it before my previous video. It's a Pixlr X. It's totally free. No need any registration, any payment. Just click it and then coming here. So I will go into here, cut out the scissor cutout, and then I will choose number 2, magic cutout, remove. So I want to remove only the text inside this text white color. So I will just click it, that will help me to remove it. Just click every single alphabet, that will help me to remove. Once again, finish, and just click save, and then save and PNG. Okay, applied. Once again, I back to the Canva, and then I upload to my Canva files. Just now the name is this one, upload. So now this is look like. So I came back to my previous, the page number 1 or page number 5, the animation over here. So I will click this one. Just now I make it to overcome or overlay this one. look like this. But before I click any outside this column, I just come to edit here to change. Wherever I choose one of these, just click number one more time to change the both color becoming white. Apply. So this is the look like, and then I can lock it, because due to this outcome is not so attractive. So I will back to here to copy the text, back to here, and then Control or Command V to paste it back. But this time I have to change to becoming hollow text. Then because now hollow text is same, the problem is I never change the text color becoming black. So this is the outcome look like. So this is look like the welcome. Then we can make it about 5 seconds, or maybe, okay, for example, these two I temporarily I just delete. Okay, now this one is about 5 seconds, so maybe I can drag to about 8 seconds, and then this click, maybe I can put my video. So in between here I can use okay, like this one I can choose like this. Okay, as well I can change the color, my channel color as well. So this one I maybe will just make a one of example. For example, it's called video. Okay, I just make one of this video inside, similar like this. So let's check it out the result. We can make some music inside as well in the music track. So this is the result. So this one is called animation behind the text. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.